Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today I'm showing you the process that I usually paint bookmarks. So just follow exactly how I'm doing. So I'm using 200 GSM thick rough paper, handmade paper, and I've used mainly for this bookmark. I've used waterproof pen and drew those lines, and then I'm just coloring them. So I'm just to keep everything colorful, so I'm just using brush strokes. Let the color mix just on the paper. These one, the ones which I've shot, they are the big size. I also have medium size bookmarks, which usually those are the ones which I sell them a lot. So those mainly those bookmarks are based on certain themes. So I choose a theme, and depending on that I'll just at a time I'll just make 40 to 50 of them and then sell them straight more. And once this is done on the paper, I'm actually gluing a little bit thick paper on the back. So what happens is that actually stays straight. If not, what happens is, if once you apply watercolor and then if it buckles, and then it might just bend. So it's better that you use, I don't know, maybe the cover of a book, which is like thick hard paper, not cardboard type. So then what will happen is it stands straight, and then you'll be able to use it as a proper bookmark. Just enjoy the way I'm painting. You might get some ideas out of this, and then you can just paint it as you wish. Just choose a theme and then make them as fast as possible. This is where I'm actually using fan brush. You can use any brush, or and that's gouache, white gouache, which is the opaque color. I'm just using it to sprinkle it on one of those bookmarks, just to show stars. You can also use just acrylic white as well. So you can use any hard brush and then sprinkle them on the paper just to show the stars. As you can see, once I've done all those three, I've used stamps, which acrylic stamps which I have. So I've also used some dye based ink pad, and then put those stamps. So if you don't have stamps, don't worry about it. You can just personalize it, just based on whatever you want to write. Write it cursive writing, any writing. Just write something, personalize it, and gift it if you want it.